guys, welcome back to Motorgraph World. I'm SJ and today I'll be showing you around Hyundai Motor Sonata in a high-performance version, the Sonata N Line. The Sonata N Line's 290 horsepower is 130 more horsepower than the 2.0-liter and 110 more horsepower than the 1.6-liter turbo. Shall we go take a look? The Sonata N Line you're looking at right now has more dynamic design features than the normal Sonatas. Difference from the normal Sonata you can spot right away are the 3 air vents in the front, N-design wheels, and an air spoiler on the trunk. The vehicle we have today is in flame red color. Tire size is 245/40 R19s, and both front and back wheel is in the same square setting. Too bad we have all-season tires popped in rather than the summer tires that suits the high-performance vehicle we have today. For exhaust, dual twin-tip mufflers are equipped to best showcase dynamic personality for the N Line. And the exhaust sounds like this. The Sonata N Line's powertrain is 2.5-liter turbo engine with the 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, which is the same as the one used in the Veloster N model. And it can push up to a maximum of 290 horsepower and a maximum torque of 43.0 kg/m. Front area has distinctive daytime running lights, which looks like chrome inserts. High beam and turn signal operates like this. In the back, notice how the tail lamp is connected all the way through. Brake light and reversing light operates like this. This is how the smart key looks like. One thing that seems to be missing is the remote parking assist option that is available in the normal Sonatas. And we have the lock button, unlock button, remote starter, trunk opener, and a panic button. Let's take a look in the Sonata N Line's trunk. Under the luggage board, there is additional compartment space divided into different sizes and a tire repair kit. Boot space is 510 liters and ski-through is available. Now let me show you the inside. Sonata N Line has distinctive N personality details in red. Suede seats in the front provide more grip than leather during a dynamic drive for the driver, and you can also see red stitching and piping in the seats. Semi-bucket seats for the driver's seat has side bolster adjust option. And tilt and telescope steering is equipped on the steering wheel. Passenger relaxation comfort seats allows the passenger to be seated in a relaxing position. Suede seat feels delicate and super soft when touched, and there was enough cushioning for a long ride. From the inside, it feels wide enough, not too tight. And this is how the interior layout looks like. Dashboard materials were mostly made up of synthetic leather and urethane, so it feels durable. For the door panel, also synthetic leather and urethane here, so it feels as tough. Steering wheel is wrapped in leather, which gave off a familiar feeling of normal steering wheels, and the thickness felt just right. On the left side of the steering wheel, there are audio controls, and on the right side, there are driving assistance system controls. And on the back of the steering wheel, there are paddle shifts for the joyrides. Total of 3 displays in the inside are the head-up display, which shows essential information of the vehicle, 12.3-inch digital dashboard, and a 10.25-inch center display. Center display has touch-type controls except for the volume dial, making it difficult to operate while driving. Climate control under the center display are all physical buttons, so it's more intuitive to adjust settings. Push button shifters are implemented in the Sonata N Line, has front park sensor, 360-degree camera, drive mode select, and auto hold features. In rear drive, backup camera starts up with a 360-degree surround view camera. Choose different drive modes from normal, sport, sport plus, and custom. There's storage in the cup holder, center console, glove compartment, and in the door trim. Wireless cell phone charger is located under the climate control unit. In the overhead console, there are buttons for ambient lighting, built-in camera, and rear sunshade. Panoramic sunroof is quite wide. Let's hop on over to the back seat. I'm about 5'7" and plenty of both knee space and head space. Center tunnel's height feels average. In the second row, there's an air vent and a USB charging port. Sunshade on both sides and in the back. And heated seats are available. You can also adjust seating position using the controls in the passenger seat. Two cup holders are provided in the second row armrest. Now I'll be starting the POV drive. Please keep in mind that starting from this point, the video has been filmed with binaural recording. Acceleration feels exceptionally instant and lightweight with the 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, and this is something that you don't normally expect from sedans. Ride was quiet and felt smooth overall. I did not have any trouble using indoor voice while driving on the highway. Handling feels smooth when it's in Eco and Comfort mode, and turns into a completely different car when it switches to Sport mode. In the sport mode, the virtual engine sound that comes from underneath the seat makes the ride more fun to enjoy, and engine reacts legitimately quick to my needs. I'll try the adaptive cruise mode. Sonata N Line's adaptive cruise control has Hyundai Motor's latest advanced driver assistance system, which helps the driver from getting fatigue. We tried launch control, but due to constant wheel spin, it was difficult to accurately measure the time. And the official record Hyundai Motor has announced for the acceleration speed from 0 to 100 km per hour is 6.5 seconds. After a total driving range of 22.4 kilometers in the city and on the highway, fuel consumption was 13.4 kilos per liter. That's all I have for today, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you haven't yet, and also leave a comment below for any suggestions. See you guys again!